Okay, sup viewers, I'm Austin the Gamer, and I'm here with some Ninja Gaiden. And as we left, where we last left off, I said I'll cut that part out. And yeah, I didn't. It's too lazy. Okay, so I was thinking about recording Naruto today, but then I was like, Ninja Gaiden. So I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of the time we're there, because that's just a long way. No. I can get money though. Dang! That actually was pretty intense. And I'm back here. This is where we last left off, actually. Smoke bomb sucks, so if you guys have this game, never use it. If you guys have any rebuttals, just tell me. But sorry guys, I was focused. I'm not in the gamer mood right now. I just wanted to record, to get some recording done today. I just woke up, to be honest, and I'm just saying, it's 10 in the morning and we lost an hour of sleep. Right now it's supposed to be 9 and it's not, so. Jeez, this is the part where I died. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Come at me. Don't even try it. Jeez, it's like you guys suck now. Come on. Really, you guys can't beat my morning? Oh, wow. Okay, there you go. Oh, crap. Good job. Good job. Alright. Die. Okay. Oh, what? Wait a sec. What? I never been up here. They give you a map? Oh, God. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you where the boss fight is. You guys are gonna see it. When I edit this video, I'm gonna show you. Okay, look at the save point. It's right there. I forgot how to do this part. Wait, what did I do again? Yeah. Everything's inverted. I don't. Okay. See, she's still following us.
Continue to hold the left stick. You will run on the surface. You must perfect this skill. If you let go of the left stick, you will fall in the water.
Really? Well, I pretty much already knew that. So. Hayabusa Village. Okay, enough with the morning stuff. Let me get back to my original stuff. Let's get real. Let's get this real. Okay, so this is the entrance. This is the entrance. Okay, those I'm gonna need, but I don't need them right now. This is the entrance. The Hayabusa Village. It's where things get real. Watch. People are gonna pop out right now. It's a wizard, right? No, I'm not gonna go. Okay. My favorite weapon to use is actually the bow and arrow, and I get it here. From here, what? Falling in the he took his last breath, lying amongst the burn remains of his home. He holds something in his. I don't care about. Oh, I do care. Never mind. Don't say that. Don't say that, Jeffrey. You need those. Okay, there's two ways I can go, and I know if I go up here. In order to within the crack here, a very strong impact with a heavy blunt. Get off of me! Where's your wizard friend? Where's your wizard friend? Throw me. Ow. You know you can't when it's. Oh, here he is. Oh, yep, there you are. I don't know where he is now. Okay, he's way over there. I'm not dying. Yep. Where you going now? Ooh. 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 Bob! Yo, did you guys see that? My ninja skills came. Oh! There's another one. Get that mess off me. I don't care if you learn how to use your chakra. This is not Naruto. No throwing vanishing Rasengans at me. Okay, so he said a very strong force. Impact. What does he mean by impact? Not smoke bomb. You talking about Menimpo? Okay. I didn't mean to use that. I don't know how to... There it is. I didn't mean to use it. Whatever. It doesn't last forever, so... Oh, someone's in here. Okay, good. It's the shop. Oh no, it's that girl who been. How did she get here before us? Yeah, I told you she was an archer. She's giving a. She's not dead.
A dark samurai clad in black.
Oh yeah, that's the boss fight right there.
You do not attempt to fight it.
Give me that, yeah. You okay? Please hurry. You just said do not attempt to fight it. Now you're rushing me? Alright, look. Good. Project the weapons. Bow. Good. Alright. Now we go down here. There's a shop. A course of another fallen ninja were his last thoughts as he slipped off into the darkness. Okay, so you hold it to go in first person. I forgot how to cancel it. You can't. Statue of the diligent old man Muramasa, legendary blacksmith. There are folk tales of people who has approached the statue and walk away with various items. That old dude. Okay, the Dragon Sword shop. The Elixir of Spiritual Life. I can buy some of those. I'm actually rich. Oh, arrows. Good. I can get a wooden sword. No. I need this. I need this. Oh no, the art. No. No. I need these. Yeah, I'm gonna spin. Yeah. Okay. We're gone. We're dipping. Where are we? Oh! What the? Oh, crap. Oh! I was wondering why wasn't it letting me block? Ooh. Who do you fight? Ooh. Dodge. I think you're too slow, wizard. Ooh. Ooh. Where do you think you're going? Stab. Okay. I was pressing R1 to block, and I was wondering, I was like, how come it's not working? I don't... Okay, I remember... Oh, crap. I don't know how to pass this part. No, I'm joking. I know how to pass it. Wait, how did I pass it again? Wait. Ooh. Okay, so it's running after a while? No. How do I knock him off? I don't even care. I'm supposed to use my bow and arrow. See? Bob. Okay, because this dude has more arrows. Get off here. I didn't even mean to hit that dude. Bob! 2 for 1. That's all you got? Oh, you... Get off me. Die. Give me that money. Ooh. Okay. Okay. You really... Ooh. I heard you coming. But I didn't dodge that one. That was my fault. Ow. Wait. Ow. Let go. Bob, I didn't mean to kill him. Oh, that was a horse that died. Oh, I have 0 arrows. Oh, crap. I didn't know. Oh. Okay. to be honest, they didn't even give me time to explore. I want to go back, but they're not going to let me because this is a continuation of the game. I can't go back. Bastards. But hey, look at the good side. There's a save point, and there's a graveyard, and there's a dude. Alright, good. We're gonna use one, and then we're gonna save. Oh, I gotta change the time on my PlayStation. I forgot. Alright, let's continue. This is the graveyard, by the way. I mean, I literally told you. Alright, I'm gonna be fighting enemies here, right? Yeah, someone else comes. A cemetery where the ancestors of the Hayabusa clan have long been buried. A cold chill can be felt in the air as if the spirits of clan's ancestors have been awakened from their eternal sleep. Wait, is there another one? Sorry. Okay. I can go up there. I'm gonna wait on that. Alright, let's go. It is said that spirits gather in stones. However, the days when the artifact to possess such power are long gone. Okay. That wasn't really nothing. Now, this is a boss fight, and I want to say, wait a sec. Oh. I want to save that for the next video. So, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So, peace off.